Chiliz value equivalent to 2.2299 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.1475 2.3162. The earlier day close, 2.2472. The change was 0.0173. 0.77%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHZ. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz gauge on Thursday. Walk 9, cost 2.27 rands, high 2.43, low 2.11. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday. Walk 10, cost 2.20 rands, high 2.35, low 2.05. Chiliz figure on Monday. Walk 13, cost 2.08 rands, high 2.23, low 1.93. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Chiliz figure on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 16, cost 2.08 rands, high 2.23, low 1.93. Chiliz estimate on Friday. Walk 17, cost 2.06 rands, high 2.20, low 1.92. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20, cost 2.09 rands, high 2.24, low 1.94. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 2.09 rands, high 2.24, low 1.94. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz estimate on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. Walk 24, cost 2.00 rands, high 2.14, low 1.86. Chiliz conjecture on Monday. Walk 27, cost 1.96 rands, high 2.10, low 1.82. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz conjecture on Friday. Walk 31, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 2.06 rands, high 2.20, low 1.92. In about a month Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, April 4, cost 2.17 rands, high 2.32, low 2.02. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, April 5, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 2.25 rands, high 2.41, low 2.09. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2023. Initially cost at 2.41 rands, excessive cost 2.53, while low cost 1.82. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.22. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.11. Change for spring 12.4%. Chiliz figure for April 2023. Initially cost at 2.11 rands, excessive cost 2.44, while low cost 1.84. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.09. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.98. Change for April 6.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.98 rands, exorbitant cost 2.19. While low cost 1.91, the found the middle value of cost 2.03. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.05, change for May 3.5%. Chiliz figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 2.05 rands, excessive cost 2.55, while low cost 2.05. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.26. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.38. change for June 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 2.38 rands, excessive cost 2.38, while low cost 1.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.16. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.00. Change for July 16.0%. Chiliz figure for August 2023. Before all else cost at 2.00 rands, excessive cost 2.00, while low cost 1.56. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.81. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.68. Change for August 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place cost at 1.68 rands, exorbitant cost 1.70, while low cost 1.48. Found the middle value of cost 1.61. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.59. Change for September 5.4%. Chiliz gauge for October 2023. In the first place cost at 1.59 rands, exorbitant cost 1.96, while low cost 1.59. Found the middle value of cost 1.74. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.83. Change for October 15.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.83 rands, excessive cost 2.27. While low cost 1.83. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.01. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.12. Change for November 15.8%. Chiliz conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 2.12 rands, excessive cost 2.63. While low cost 2.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.33. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.46. Change for December 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 2.46 rands, excessive cost 2.46. While low cost 1.93. Found the middle value of cost 2.23. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.07. Change for January 15.9%. Chiliz estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.07 rands, exorbitant cost 2.07, while low cost 1.62. Found the middle value of cost 1.88. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.74. Change for February 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.74 rands, exorbitant cost 1.74, while low cost 1.36. Found the middle value of cost 1.58. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.46. Change for spring 16.1%. ZAR to CHZ conversion scale equivalent to 0.4485 coins per 1 rand. The present